Hello, welcome, and you'll be talking about how do we optimize our website. A lot of people are having a hard problem, and they really think that their website is being optimized, and they're saying that it's working well. When I check their website, there are broken links, links that need to be adjusted and fine-tuned, and links that need to be addressed on. And when you're not in your expertise, you just rely on one person, you will have a problem. So better to have two minds or three minds than only one person that you just rely on. So I'll be discussing on how you could improve, in which it will accelerate your website traffic and a lot of things that will be improving a lot. So as time goes by, I'll be your host. This is from the headstartcms.com, and this is Jazzy. Thank you.